welcome back to another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. This is for the September 2021, which is in this absolutely adorable drawstring bag. Like, this looks so boho, like so hippie-ish. I freaking adore it, guys. You have no idea how much I love this. So, we're going to start with the items that were too big to fit in the bag, that were just in the envelope. Let's move this down. There we go. So, one of these I do have to give to my mom because I can't use it. Guess what's in it? So that is the, which one was it? Must be this one. The Star Skin Close-Up Firming Biocellulose Face Mask. 72% coconut, so I can't use that, but she sure can, and I'm sure she will enjoy it vastly. Wish I could. Sounds like it's real good. But at least I can still use whatever this guy is. This is also by Star Skin. It's a peel, I guess. Foaming Peeling Puff. I don't quite understand how that works, but squish, 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 squish. Cleanse face and pat dry. Tear open both sachets and pour peeling liquid into the larger sachet. Add a few drops of water into sachet, squish to work up a lather, gently massage skin in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes, concentrating on the forehead and nose. Rinse face thoroughly with water and pat dry. Puff can be stored in sachet for up to 3 times use. So that's kind of cool that I can get 3 uses out of it. Whereas this, I mean, you can only use it like once. Well, if you do it the way you're supposed to anyway. Anyways. But yeah, so I'll give her that one. I'll keep that one. This one's not a mask, but I mean, that's okay. I've got like a million masks. It's cool. It's cool. So, just double checking expiration dates because I'm all paranoid now. Yeah, it's fine till 2023. Okay, so dipping into the bag. Let's see, do we have things on the card? Do we? We do not. Well, we did for the normal plus bag, but not for this. Maybe it's whenever I add in add-ons that it's not there. Maybe that's it. Because I think I did add in some add-ons this time. So anyways, I got the Derma E Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum. Improves look of fine lines and wrinkles. So serums are always good. Take a stand against wrinkles. This nourishing double-action powerhouse serum is formulated with multipeptides, matrixyl synth 6, and argireline? Argireline? I don't know. It's a really weirdly spelled word, guys, if you can see it. To help reduce the appearance of deep lines and wrinkles, while plant extract pycnogenol, a powerful antioxidant, may help support healthy collagen. Well, thankfully I don't have too many deep wrinkles yet, but little fine ones, yeah, maybe it'll help on those, so definitely can't complain there. Definitely use that bad boy. We got a couple of lip balms. Believe it or not, these are lip balms. So these are by Galactic, just like the Jello lip balm that I love so much. Look how pretty, guys. They're absolutely gorgeous. So, this is a 3-in-1 lip sparkle balm. So is this one. So this one's in Twinkle, and this one's in Periwinkle. I like the Periwinkle one better. It has like a bluish sheen or a purpley sheen when the light hits it. Not sure if it's picking up on camera. I don't think it is, but in person it's really beautiful. Apply underneath a lip gloss as a topper over your liquid lipstick or the lip sparkle on its own. I'll have to play with that. But yeah, these both look very pretty and should be fun to play with. But I was just surprised that these are lip balms when they look like lip crayons. So I was like, cool, I'll play with them. I'm down with that. I've also got, by ColourPop, it says Wet Lip Bundle. She Cute Ultra Satin Lip, Kumquat Ultra Gloss Lip, and BFF3 Lippy Pencil. That's right, I remember what's in here now. So, here they are. This is the lippy pencil, obviously. It does have some smudges on it, which makes me worry about. Please tell me this was not used. I really hope it wasn't. Yeah, this is BFF3. Kind of an interesting color, but I suppose if it doesn't work as a lip color for me, it might be close enough to stick it in my brows. I don't know. That might be a terrible idea, actually. But my mom actually suggested I could totally do that. There is no reason why I couldn't, as long as it's not, like, really slick. So, I mean, I might give it a shot. I'm not ruling it out, but I'm gonna try it on my lips as it's intended first, obviously, but if it doesn't pan out, I may give that a shot. So this one is kumquat, which is really weird, because I don't think kumquats are that color, but kind of interesting. I would assume it probably goes on just sparkly and clear, despite it looking blue in the tube, but how does it smell? Looks like it should be minty. Whoa, it has a brush. What the hell? I was expecting like a doe foot. Wow. Ooh, it smells really good. Okay. I'm actually really looking forward to trying that now. And then this one's cute. So, let's see. Is this one doe foot or brush? See, that one's doe foot. So, now I'm really confused by that brush. Now, are they meant to go together? Like, I feel like if you used that dark of a lip liner with this, it's just gonna end up like that chola type look, and no, that is not meant to be a slur. That is like what that look was legitimately called by Latinas while I was in high school. They were the ones that threw around the term. Okay, I'm not trying to throw around a slur, but you know the look I'm talking about, the really dark lip liner with lighter lip color. It just, I mean, if that's your thing, you do you, but on me it never ever looked right, and yet teen magazines had me convinced that I needed to wear it that way, and I took them as gospel when I was that age. Thank God social media was not a thing yet, otherwise there'd be so many cringy selfies of all the makeup things I tried just because they were in teen magazines and I thought you had to do them just because they were in there. Oh yeah, I was one of those girls. I am Little Miss easily influenced, basically. Anyway, we've got another nail polish, which is absolutely lovely. And this is by Smith & Colt. It's like that white one I got last year around this time, too. But this one's a much nicer color. It's like really, really, really deep plum. It looks black on camera, but I assure you it's like really dark purple. But it's super pretty. It's called Bite Your Kiss. I'm like, ooh, vampire-y fun. And now this time, because of the other one, I know that this is how it's supposed to look. It's not janky. That is intentional on the cap. Oh, I did forget about that, though. Oh, that freaked me out for a second. I was like, wait. I know these guys. They do that. Let's see. I just want to see how thick or thin it is. It's kind of see-through. It's actually kind of like the one I got in the normal glam bag this month. Smells a hell of a lot worse, though. Wow. Wow. Okay. Whew. Shit. Okay, well, I think I'll use the other one first, because it does not reek that bad. Holy crap. I got another, even though I traded my mom for hers, I have another Generation Clay Urban Defense Purifying Pink Clay Mask, because if I run out of one of these halfway through, I can use the other one to finish up. So, I'm a bad person. Anyway, no, like I said, she gives me a mask, I give her a mask. Fair is fair. They're even both pink, so anyways, there's that. And then I've got the Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream, which this is a pretty darn good sized eye cream if you ask me. Although now I'm really skeptical because I'm like, if it's that big, generally companies don't freaking just give away eye cream. Usually they're hella expensive and they're hella tiny. So being this big, I'm like, bitch, are you even gonna do anything? Probably not. But I will try it, Because Lord knows I need all the help I can get under the eyes all of a sudden. Age is catching up with me real quick and real nastily, and I am not happy about it. So we've got another Pixie by Petra Endless Silky Eye Pen, and this one is in Black Caviar. But interestingly, this does not look pure black to me. In the lighting in here, it almost looks like a really dark brown, not black. So I don't know how it'll look on, but if that's not black, why the hell would you name it Black Caviar? Like, I would like to know. I also got, I already know what the other two are. They go right along with the last thing before the eyeliner. Because I'm almost wondering, Ipsy, are you trying to tell me something about my age? This is the Verify 2020 Phytoglycogen and Peptides Eye Cream. Now see, this is more like the size I would expect. And then the last one is the Georgette Klinger Sea Extracts Eye Cream. I think Ipsy called me old, guys. I think Ipsy called me old, and they're like, bitch, you hit 35, take all the old lady skincare now. Which on one hand, I'm a little insulted. On the other hand, I'm like, fuck yes, give it to me so I can fight it before it happens, before it gets really bad. Even though I'm sure it's an uphill battle and I will lose, because we all know, no matter what you throw at your skin, probably nothing's actually gonna stop the wrinkles from happening, but I'm gonna give it a good frickin' try. Anyway, but I found it hilarious that in the same month, and none of these were my choice item, by the way, they sent me 3 different eye creams. These were not my add-on items. No. This was one of my add-on items, and this was one of my add-on items, and I think, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe those were the only, no, I think the masks, no, the masks were chosen. Now I'm confused. Well, regardless, I know that none of these were the add-on items, these were just amongst what they picked for me, and I was like, oh. And they went along with this, which was also not my choice, so I was like, so you're really just calling me old this month? I've been feeling older than dirt lately anyway, but, rub it in a little more. I can take it. But at the same time, I will also happily take my old lady face creams because, you know, I'd kind of like to fight it as well I can, so I can keep looking younger than I am for as long as possible. I know that I passed for 12 for frickin' ever. All of a sudden people are guessing I'm about 21. I'm like, it's catching up. It's catching up quick. We just like skipped the whole rest of the teens in there. We went straight from 12 to 21. It's like, oh shit. So, gotta, like, use some stuff on my face to try and keep that shit at bay. So, anyways, that is it for this one. So, as usual, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, bye-bye.